Hi! In today's video, we're going to discuss floor scale prices and all of the important things that you absolutely need to know. So stay tuned, and don't change that dial. Did you know that floor scales are also commonly called pallet scales or platform scales? They're usually a 4-foot by 4-foot square-shaped scale that you typically see near a loading dock in a warehouse. They are often used to weigh pallets before and after shipping. Most basic floor scales are available in sizes from 3x3 to 5x5. The maximum weighing capacities for these scales is usually 10,000 pounds. By the way, there are larger floor scales available as well, which would have to be quoted. Just give us a call or email and we can assist you. For our video, we will focus on the 4x4 floor scale within 5,000 pound capacity, which is the most common size that we sell. We like to sort our floor scales into 4 different categories. The categories are based on quality. The first category is the top-of-the-line industrial floor scale. A B-tek Clydesdale or Rice Lake Roughdeck would fall into that category. You won't find a lightweight import floor scale in this category. A 4x4 5,000 pound capacity scale in this category is probably going to cost somewhere around $2,700 to $3,600. These scales are typically built tougher, with more steel and a thicker top deck plate. And these scales usually weigh anywhere from 30 to 90 pounds more than lesser platform scales. The second category is slightly below the top group. These are scales that are a little lighter or not quite as industrial tough as the first category. These are still really good scales though. We might place the Diggy Summit 3000 in this group, along with the Pennsylvania 6600 and the B-tek 4-square. A 4x4 5,000 pound capacity scale in this group is likely going to be somewhere between $1,400 and $2,500. The third category is the light industrial floor scale. In this group, we would likely include the InScale 7620 and Way South floor scale, for example. A 4x4 5,000 pound capacity scale in this group is likely going to be somewhere around $1,000 to $1,400. These are typically imported scales that are lighter weight but supported by our domestic suppliers. The fourth category is everything below light industrial. These are scales that you might find on auction sites or other websites. Often these are imported from overseas with limited amounts of documentation or factory support. And many times, just being able to read the owner's manual is a challenge with these. Based on our years of experience, we recommend buying something better than this category if you can. Don't forget that the prices we've mentioned are estimates based on current price information. This will change over time. Well, there you have it. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please hit that like button below. Floor scales all appear to be about the same at first glance, but when you know what to look for and what brands to trust, you can make an intelligent purchase. Check out our website, centralcarolinascale.com. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!